striving to revitalize ecosystems, conserving biodiversity, and empowering our communities. We aim to achieve our sustainability ambitions with environmental initiatives spanning the kingdom, including the Arabian Gulf, where the waters have sustained life along the eastern coast for generations. That's why we're enabling the Regional Centre for Sustainable Development of Fisheries, a facility with a simple, noble mission: to help restore and protect native fish populations while supporting the communities that rely on them. It's one of the largest fish spawning and juvenile production facilities in Saudi Arabia, with a capacity to raise over 10 million young fish per year. The journey begins with local fishermen. With skills passed down through generations, they catch the fish that will become broodstock. After a short journey, they arrive at the hatchery's quarantine, where they'll have to meet strict biosecurity standards. For their offspring, for the millions of young fish to come, life begins as an egg, first harvested and then transferred to incubation tanks, where life emerges as millions of larvae hatch and begin to grow. And growth requires energy. And for these future fish, energy comes in the form of feed. Tiny organisms cultivated specifically to help provide the optimal diet to help them grow and survive. On their journey, our advanced technology supports their environment and helps improve their survival rates. Once they're big enough, they will be released, spawning expansive numbers of new generations of fish in the Arabian Gulf. Over time, the hatchery's work helps replenish the sea, reflecting our contributions to conservation, to our communities, and to the Gulf's marine biodiversity for generations to come.